Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on reserve rights. On a weekly time frame chart, reserve rights has broken out this very long-term falling wedge pattern. And now you can see that recently it has also broken out this quite long-term up trend line resistance as well. In fact, when it was moving inside this wedge and it was testing this quite long-term support of $0.0016. By the way, we found the support here in the month of June 2023. And for several weeks or months, the price has been testing this support. And in those days, I've been telling you that now we have found a quite firm support here, and the movement is quite squeezed inside this huge falling wedge pattern. Therefore, the price line can now break out this multi-year space resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, it can start a very long-term rally to the upside. And you can see that after that, it has pumped very well. So far from this low to here, it has rallied more than 735%, and right now it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 1.1 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here and almost as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And right now you can see that this lagging span is completely moved up and crossed up this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, now I'm expecting that this rally for the long term will be continued to the upside, and we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for reserve rights that I shared, by the way, on 29th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that reserve rights formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of reserve rights, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after the month of December 2020, it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. And during this move to the downside, by the way, we broke down these two very significant support levels. One was here at 1.65 cents, and the next one was here at 1.1 cents. And after the breakdown from these two, after breaking down these two support levels, you can see we had further very huge drop, and finally we found a quite firm support here at $0.0016. And at the same time, the movement was quite squeezed inside this bed. Therefore, in those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this wedge. And you can see that now we have broken out the resistance of this wedge, and we have also broken out this up trend line resistance as well. By the way, we found this resistance when it was moving inside this wedge here. And it was about to break out the resistance of the wedge in those days. You can see we got rejections here, so many rejections here, and now finally we have broken it out. And so far it has rallied almost 735%. And right now you can see it is trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 1.1 cents that was previously working as a support here and almost as a support here. And for the past several weeks or months, you can see it is working as a resistance, and after that, we will again need to break out this next long-term resistance of 1.65 cents as well. By the way, if we take a look at this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, that was a quite long-term resistance. And now you can see that reserve rights has completely broken it out. And recently, this lagging span has also broken out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is a very powerful bullish signal, especially on the 7-day time frame chart. Therefore, now this cloud can lift the price line to the upside, and it can work as a very long-term support for the price line. And this rally will be a quite long-term now after the breakout from this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, That target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 12 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.